Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can take advantage of Copilot in order to schedule meetings. Moreover, I'll show you also from a different perspective as a normal participant how you can prepare your meeting properly using the prepare function available through Copilot when you open the meeting as pre-meeting experience, let's say. Alright, let me show you how this works. Let's go. Here I am in Outlook. I'm going to schedule a meeting using Copilot. To do that, I will click on the proper icon. The panel shows up, and here what I'm going to paste is this thing. Schedule a meeting with Adele, Diego, Sandra, and Elizabeth to discuss about the current status of Project X and brainstorm together on next steps. Find an available time for us. So the nice thing is that Copilot is able to find in our organization the name. So we have a very small company here, so we have just one unique name for every user. It's more easy for Copilot to figure out which user I'm referring to. So now what I have here is a proposal by Copilot to open an event form, so this will give me the chance to schedule much better my meeting. So now I have here my meeting. What I can do here is just review the selection that Copilot made for me. Moreover, in the description, I can start drafting with Copilot and asking to have something inside in this description. Let's go for this one, but of course you can type the description that it's more suitable for you. In this case, I have this: create an agenda for a brainstorming session around and then initiative or idea. So let's go with that. And now Copilot gave me this suggestion. I would like to invite you to brainstorming session. There we go. And here we have the agenda proposal. So keep it. I will go forward with that. Moreover, I'm going to place here a couple of files that I have on my OneDrive. Let me target groups. And then I have one team which is dedicated for our project, and it's called Project Drone X. There we go. Then let's go on plan, and I'm going to add this couple of files, just the link down below the description of this meeting. So that's it. I made just with a few clicks, I created the event schedule, I created and configured the description, I got the next time slot available for everyone, and so now I'm going to confirm by sending this. Changing now perspective, I am connected as Diego Siciliani, and here in Outlook, to get properly prepared to the meeting, I can of course use Copilot. And how I can take advantage by this new capability and feature. So let's go on the calendar, and here I have received the invitation just created. Now what I have here is a new button next to this icon, Prepare with Copilot. So if you have a very important meeting, a brainstorming session, a workshop, whatever that require a proper preparation, you can click now on this button and Copilot will pull all important information related to this event. In this case, I have an overview. This meeting is a brainstorming session to discuss a new initiative where attendees will explore various ideas and strategies to ensure its success, and so on. So there are a couple of files mentioned in the meeting invitation. So, and here we have the recap, and Copilot suggests me to have a look to these two files as a task to properly get prepared to this meeting. Moreover, I have the references here. I have the meeting, the current status, the meeting invitation, and I have the two files attached as a link to the description of this meeting. So this is now Copilot, how it can help you to properly get prepared to your next meeting. So there is also another way to get prepared to a meeting. and this is using the Bits chat. I am on Microsoft 365 dashboard. I'm going to click now on Copilot. This is the Bits chat. And what I have here as a prompt is prep for that meeting. So I can click on this prompt and I'm going to get information related to this meeting to have all information needed to stay on top and prepared to this meeting. There you go, your next meeting. So what you need to do now from an IT admin perspective to have this capability available in your organization, prepare with Copilot. Here I am, a global IT admin, and I am in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So to enable this feature, I need to expand settings, and here you are going to see search and intelligence. Now, what I can do here is go by clicking on the configurations, and finally you will find meeting insight settings. This should be turned on and active, otherwise you are not going to have this prepare to meeting experience with Copilot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please consider to subscribe and like. Add a comment down below, write Copilot in the comments so I will understand that you are interested to see more video like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye.